E-commerce and affiliate marketing.
The creation of the internet and the mass production of computers in the late 80s changed everyone's lives forever. Now, everyone has the potential to be their own boss, whether you are a stay-home mom or a manual laborer. All you need to do is search on Google for business opportunities, and it will bring up more than you could ever imagine. Even though you may think it's easy to make a living on the internet, it actually requires a firm business plan and a lot of hard work. You can run an online business with your current job, and your potential market is a lot bigger than the average stores. The first thing you'll need to decide is the type of business that's right for you, then research the market. The possible business choices open to you are: 1. Affiliate programs. 2. Adsense programs. 3. Selling products. Affiliate programs will pay you a commission for selling company products. You'll have no contact with the customer, as all you do is provide sales leads to the company of whom you have to be an affiliate for. Adsense programs are where you take an existing website you own of a particular subject, then add contextual adverts from Google's Adsense program. When someone clicks on an advert, you'll receive a few cents. The final method is selling products. You'll build a website with a shopping cart, then give as many details as possible about the products. When customers buy products, you'll receive pay based on what you sell and how many. When it all comes down to it, you'll need to set up a business and website to get the most from e-commerce or affiliate marketing. It'll take a lot of hard work and dedication, although it'll prove to be well worth it. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.